Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to be playing Arsenal 1v1 with Syokmich YouTube. That's the YouTube name. Go check out our channel and subscribe. And yeah, so we're just going to get started. Also, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on the post notifications. Let's get started. Okay.
And also, I'm on the call.
Yeah. Say hi. Hi.
Hola.
Okay, let's go.
You're going down.
I have a sniper.
Yes.
That's not going to do too well.
We have the same gun.
I'm going so slow.
Oh, come on.
I'm holding Q.
Okay.
No! Okay, by the way, guys, I like to rage a lot in this game, so if I rage, give this video a like. How did you not kill me there?
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, by the way, I'm also very bad at this game, so
And I'm a god.
you should really look up to, her. That was a good sentence.
Yep.
Give me a chance, coach.
No.
No! I'm so bad. Don't worry, I just gotta get my rhythm going and we'll be good.
I see you. Oh, come on. I'm hiding under a sponge. I'll kill you.
Okay, we got her. That's the first kill for us, boys. Now we get to switch our gun.
It, by the way.
If you don't know this game, after you kill somebody, your gun will switch, and there's different locations that you can go to go against people. We're in a private, so it's just 1v1, but for like a normal server, there's like, I don't know how many people, but it's a decent
16.
amount. Yes, 16, 8v8, I think. Okay, I lost again. Yeah, we're just gonna keep going until we reach the end of the game. Hopefully that is before 15 minutes. I don't think it will be, but okay. We're looking. Oh, this is the really bad gun. Okay, we lost.
Oh, no, I have the hush puppy. Oh, by the way, this game is Arsenal. I don't know if you said it or not. But
Yeah, I didn't. Don't bully me in the comments. I'm very bad. Okay, we got her. 2 headshots with the worst gun. Okay, now we get my favorite gun, but I'm not that good at it.
I have the
You spell all the way down. Okay. Where's them jump pads?
The hush puppy is literally the worst guns.
I like the AR. Okay. Oh my gosh. Where are you? Oh, I see you.
No. No.
Yes! Give this video a thumbs up for that. Oh yeah.
Did you know that there's a Holy Bible on this map?
No. Okay. Oh my gosh. I was just looking for you, and then all I see is
I'm also
a bada bing, bada boom. Oh, sorry for the saxophone noise in the background. Yay. Sorry for the noise in the background. My person is like doing some audition for a music class. Yes, sir, boys. Oh, okay. We're doing pretty good, guys. I just jinxed myself.
Yep.
If we get this video to 20 likes in the next 2 days, then I will do a part 2.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Would you have killed me if I wasn't looking?
Wait, did you get me with the hush puppy?
Oh my god. Where are you?
This gun takes.
Oh, I tried to get the fire on you. Oh my god. I just fell. Where'd you go? I'm coming.
I was right behind you.
Really? Oh my gosh, I literally clicked her head a bunch of times. The viewers know that I am. You're hacking.
Ooh, wait though. No, I'm not. I'm not hacking. Oh, what did you shoot, honey?
I'm missing every shot. Oh, that's just that's embarrassing.
I don't like how.
Did you just put on a show to show that you were not hacking? Oh my gosh, I was trying to jump. Okay. We got a sniper. Should we go no scope? Okay, here, let's find you.
Oh, I have the ice pilot skin on.
Let's go! You're like moving a lot too, so I'm pretty proud of that. I'm pretty and proud.
I need to hurry up so it gets under 15 minutes.
Oh. Yeah, hurry up. Yeah, but if we keep beating each other, then nothing's gonna happen. We're at like 6 minutes right now.
6 minutes already? Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're probably gonna end up ending the video early, but you guys get a view of what's going on, and I think you already know who's gonna win, but I'm just trying to put on a show for you guys. I'm actually doing really good. This might be the best I've ever done against her. Had to save it for the time I make a video. You already know. I was trying to go to my favorite spot.
It isn't that good though.
I'm sure you did not know that was my favorite spot, but
I'm scared. Oh, I fell. I didn't have to wait.
You fell? I swear, if you get me right here. I'm trying to climb the steps. We made it. Oh my god. We're doing pretty good.
I tried to shoot you while you're going up the ladder, but it did not work.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen, so I had to hurry it.
Oh my god, I missed it.
What? Wait, what health are you at? Got him.
What? How did
How did I hit you so perfectly from that far away? I love Roblox. That's a nice picture this room has. Because it's 85. Wow. You had 15 health left. Okay. So, type in the comments if you like this game, if I should do this more, or stick to Bloxburg or something else. Okay. Maybe I should stick to something else because I'm not progressing anywhere with this game.
Correct.
I'm trying to hold back the rage for you guys, and I'm doing a pretty good job, but
What was that laugh I just did?
we may have to just, like, stop holding it back.
Holding it back.
Physical, whatever therapy tells you to not hold it back, so we're not gonna hold it back!
You just headshotted me.
I might rage in excitement. That doesn't make sense.
I don't think that's called raging.
Yeah.
It's an excitement.
Yeah, that's what I said. I said we're doing pretty good, guys. Type in the comments A for Team Soccer A, or type S for Team Syokmich YT. But we're probably gonna lose, so just like,
how much are we at?
be nice to me. We have 9 minutes. Oh my god.
We need to get away from this spot, dude.
Actually, I think we will be able to finish because I'm doing so bad. Yeah, why do I keep going to that spot? That's my migrating spot. Where are you?
I thought you were about to come back.
I'm not that bad. I missed every single shot. Oof.
Oops, I fell.
Yay, the saxophone noise stopped. Oh, stop with the sniper. Nobody needs it right
It's
now.
not a sniper.
Yeah, but it seems like it.
It's called a grease gun.
How did you shoot me?
How did you not just die?
I kind of have 6 health, so we're just gonna heal up right here. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, 46, that's enough. 86. Where are you? Oh my gosh, you're right there. I just noticed you were there. Imagine I beat you right now. did I beat you? How did that even happen?
Why do I keep spawning?
It didn't even show any, like, damage.
Dude, get away from the spot. You're not cool when you're there.
What? Wait, you're at 17 health now. Okay, we got 10 minutes. No, we're at 10 minutes, so and 20 seconds, so.
Did you just say what?
No, like, time-wise. What a nice plunger. Because I'm definitely not near the plunger. Wow, I shouldn't have said that. Oh my gosh, you literally jumped to the same spot as me. I guess we have the same strategy.
I don't want you there.
One day I'm just gonna pray that I get you with the fire trap. Really?
But you don't get the kill for that, though.
Okay, we got like 5 minutes.
Okay, yeah, well, I think I'm gonna win.
Nah, I think I'm gonna win, definitely. I saw something move.
Where'd you go? I literally just saw you up here. What? Are you shooting at me?
No? Don't tell them where I went, guys. I don't know. You can't give away my... Oh my gosh, I just jumped out the window.
I saw you there. How's that?
We need 1 billion likes for that.
You're actually keeping up very good.
Yes.
You're keeping up very good English.
Thank you. Okay, we got 4 minutes left.
Good English.
I think I can even this out before it's time to go. Oh, and by the way, guys, I will increase my screen recording time so that I can do unlimited, and we can stay on here for hours, which we're not, but yeah. Okay, let's find this goat.
Yes, I am a goat.
Yeah, I was being nice.
Dude, where are you?
I saw you.
I'm literally like...
I just saw you do some jump. You were jumping down and I killed you. I think we're gonna even it out. Let's even it out, boys and ladies.
Yeah, good job.
Gotta be nice.
Good.
I don't know too many girls who play this game, but
excuse me.
that's no offense to the girl kind. Girls are awesome too.
I've been saying a lot. Dude, where are you shooting me from?
Do you not know? It's my favorite
I know
spot.
where you were shooting me
Did I get you?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Where'd you spawn from? I gotta let you hit me once. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Okay, we're not gonna even this out. We got less than 3 minutes left. Because I'm doing so good. I think we can do this. We just gotta even it out.
You're saying even it out. You're saying even it out so much. Even it out.
Even it out.
Even it out. Dude, get away from there.
Get out of there! Wait, what? I had a sniper and I thought I headshotted you. I must have just missed the headshot. Wait, peek out again?
Where? Oh my god. No, don't scope me.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you just came out of nowhere.
I'm reloading.
Okay, we're definitely going to lose. We have less than 2 minutes left.
So
I gotta make sure I keep track of the time so I'm like not talking while it's like... No, I'm gonna do the outro at like 15 minutes and like 30 seconds. We'll gather together in my favorite spot. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna gather now. Okay, go to the high ground area.
Which one?
The one by the oven.
But you were just there, dude.
Oh, I was? Okay, I'm stupid. Really? Is that gonna get me there? Why did you do that?
Okay, well, I'm sorry. Okay, just end it.
Wait. No, we still got like a minute. No, don't kill me. We're going to end the video over here. Stop! I'm actually